Hello everybody in grade 7. Today we're going to study section 2 in chapter 24, the urinary system. Please open your book on page 642 and be with me. In this lesson, we are going to describe the parts and functions of the urinary system. Then we will explain how the kidney filters blood. Finally, we will describe the 3 disorders of the urinary system. First of all, what is the urinary system and what is the main function of the urinary system? Urinary system is excretory system. Why? Because it helps the body to get rid of wastes or remove wastes from the body. It consists of 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, bladder, and urethra. Again, 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, bladder, and urethra. As we know, the blood travels through the tissues. It picks up wastes produced by the body's cells. How? We have many wastes inside our body, like carbon dioxide, and we can get rid through respiratory system. We have also exudate and exudates, and we can get rid of them through skin as a form of sweat. The urinary system contains the organs that remove waste products from your blood. So we have many organ systems that work together to make excretion process. Now, what is the excretion process? Excretion is the process of removing waste products from the body. We have 2 kidneys inside our body. The kidneys are a pair of organs in urinary system that clean the blood and excrete products as a urine. Inside each kidney are more than 1 million microscopic filters called nephron. As we know, we have 5.6 liters of blood inside our body. But can you imagine your kidney filter the blood 350 times per day? So it can filter 2,000 liters of blood each day. But how? We have only 5.6 liters. Yes, because it is in continuous circulation. Now, what is a nephron? Nephron are microscopic filters in the kidney that remove wastes from the blood. How the kidneys filter blood? A large artery brings the blood in each kidney. This means this blood have wastes. Tiny blood vessels of the main artery and pass through part of each nephron. This is a nephron. Tiny blood vessels mean capillaries. Water and other small substances such as glucose, salts, amino acid, and urea are forced out of blood vessels and into the nephron. Here. As these substances flow through the nephron, most of water and some nutrients are moved back into blood vessels that wrap around the nephron. Now we have mixture of wastes. The concentrated mixture of waste materials is left behind the nephron. left behind the nephron. And the pure blood, the cleared blood, which has slightly less water and much less waste materials, leave each kidney in large vein to recycle it in the body. It will recycle it again in the body to make 350 times. Now we have wastes collected, mixture of wastes. The yellow fluid that remain in the nephron is called urine. Urine leaves each kidney through a cylinder tube called ureters and flow in the urinary bladder. Urine leaves the body through another tube called the urethra at the end of urinary bladder. Now, what about the clean blood? Clean blood, which has slightly less water and much less waste materials, leave the kidney in a large vein to recirculate in the body, here through the veins. And the waste is removed the body through ureters. Now, have you ever thought why you drink more water in the summer and make less urine? In summer you feel hot and your body warm. The evaporation of water sweat cools you down. As water contains of the blood drops, the salivary gland produces less saliva, so you feel thirsty. But you make less urine because of antidiuretic hormone. Antidiuretic hormone is a hormone that's responsible for sending a signal to the kidney to take water from the nephrons. The nephrons return the water to the bloodstream, and we can say ADH, not antidiuretic. This kidney makes less urine. When your blood has too much water, a small amount of ADH are released. So the kidneys react by allowing more water to stay in the nephron and leave the body as a urine. Some beverages contain caffeine, which is diuretic. Diuretic causes the kidneys to make more urine, which decreases the amount of water in the blood. When you drink beverages that contains water and caffeine, the caffeine increases blood loss. Now, the urinary system problems: bacterial infections, kidney stones, and kidney diseases. Bacterial infection starts with urethra. Bacteria can get into the bladder and ureters through urethra and cause painful infections. Kidney stone. Salts and other wastes can collect inside the kidneys and form kidney stone. Kidney diseases. Damage to the nephrons can prevent normal kidney functioning and can lead to kidney disease. We can use kidney machine to filter waste from the blood in case of kidney diseases. Now we can see a movie about urinary system.
The renal system consists of the kidneys, connecting arteries and veins.
Yes, two kidneys connected to arteries and veins. We said artery that bring the blood that contain wastes to the kidney, and veins carries the cleaned blood to recirculate again inside the body.
And the urinary tract. The kidneys are here, bean-shaped organs lying outside the peritoneal cavity in the back of the upper abdomen, one on each side of the vertebral column. The kidneys function as the body's main excretory organ, eliminating the body's metabolic waste products by filtering the blood, substances that are unneeded or are present in excess.
So the kidney is the main organ in the urinary system. The blue fluid that move through ureters, this is a urine that move to urinary bladder, then urethra.
Into the bladder before being expelled through urethra. The kidneys also selectively reabsorb themselves that are needed to maintain the normal composition of the blood by adjusting blood composition. The kidneys are able to maintain blood volume and pressure, ensure the proper balance of sodium, chloride, potassium, calcium, hydrogen, phosphate, and pH, and eliminate products of miscarriage, and eliminate the medial border. The medial border of the kidney is indented by a deep fissure called the hymen, where the blood vessels, nerves, and ureters connect to the kidney.
This is arteries that get blood have wastes to the kidney, and this is veins that remove clean the blood from the kidney, and this is a nephrons. We said each kidney have more than 1 million nephron to filter the blood.
Composed of up to 18 lobes. Each lobe is composed of nephrons. Nephrons are functional units of the kidney.
You can observe the nephron is microscopic. This is a nephron. Okay.
Each kidney contains more than one nucleus nephron. Each nephron consists of a glomerulus and a system of tubules. The glomerulus is a unique high-pressure